What's up, guys and gals? So today we're gonna address brake pad wear on disc brakes. So it's pretty much any car, any truck, anything with disc brakes. We're gonna go ahead and pull this back wheel off the 2007 Chevy Tahoe, and I'm gonna show you guys how to check your brake wear and all that, and how to change the pads as well. It's a little tight. Let's turn her up a notch. Number 3. There we go. Number 3 works. Alright, once you get all the lug nuts off, set them over in a nice little neat pile. Pop this front wheel off. And then what you're gonna look for, 3/4. Put your 3/4 on. It's backwards, I wanna loosen. So, get this top bolt right here loose. Once you do that, the brakes are pretty simple after this. Take that bolt out. Get your screwdriver. Put it in right there. And fold that off. Just like that. Now when looking at brake pad wear, these ones are pretty healthy, but since we did the other side, we're going to go ahead and do this side as well. But if you notice all the little cracks, those make a lot of noise, so that's noisy brakes. But these pads are actually pretty healthy. The rotor looks good. You don't see no big cuts, no big lip right here, no big indents right here, and it feels smooth. And that's what you're looking for. It's nice and smooth on the rotor. And even brake pad wear is also a good sign. So those look to be fairly even. So now on the 2007 Tahoe, the rear brake pad, well, the inside brake pad has this extra little flange on the bottom. The outside brake pad doesn't, so don't get confused. And then you just pop them in. They go in their little happy home, just like that. Push it up. You take this one. Make sure you orientate it the right way. It's just like that. Pops right in. Then what you're gonna do for this, take the old brake pad and set it in there like that. And you're gonna grab your pliers. If you don't have the fancy brake caliper compression tool, and you're gonna squeeze. First things first, before you squeeze anything, take the brake cap off. That lets pressure go back, and that allows the pucks to have room to move without excessive force. And if you notice, see how they're squeezing in? You want to squeeze until they're all the way flat. And just keep adjusting the pliers until you have them all the way back where they need to be. And that's pretty flat right there. Let's see if that was enough. And then you pretty much slide it right back up. Just like that. There we go. And give her a little love tap. Oh, something looks to be stopping it. What did we catch on? Nah, it should be fine. Oh, right in front of me. Right there. And then you put your bolt back in. Grab your wrench. And get it nice and tight. Good and tight. Ah, that's good and tight. Then you pull your wheel back on. Slide it up in place. Check for alignment. Pick it up. Slide it right on. And this is all real time right here. So when you go to a mechanic shop and you wonder why it takes them a few days to do your car, when it's this easy of a job per wheel, that much time per wheel from off, brake pads changed, two back on. Which is why I make these videos, to show you guys how to save money and not pay a shop excessive amounts of money for a job that you could actually do by yourself at home. If this was helpful, remember to like and subscribe. That's what helps me do this. Thanks for watching. Right, so once you get the wheel off, get a wrench. Looks like it's a 12 millimeter that fits right here on this backside bottom caliper bolt. See, for this, when you're just doing the pads, you don't want to remove the whole bracket. You'll save a lot of time doing it the way I'm about to show you. Once you get the bottom bolt out, see, there's no bolt right here, and you have this. This is a smooth freely, and you can kind of grab this with the screwdriver right under here, and you can pry this up just like this. Flip it up, take your screwdriver. Well, my screwdriver's a little too long, or too fat, I mean. So, 1 second. I'm gonna lock this up so it's not actually, no, it don't matter. So, when it's up, just kind of hold it up out of your way. You literally just grab your pad like this, pop the pad right out, and there's your brake pad. So when you're looking for a brake pad wear, you want to look for a couple things on your rotors. You want to make sure they're smooth. You want to check the lip right here. You want to look at the brake pad. See, this one has a tiny bit of life left, like a tiny bit, so this is perfect time to change them. So if you notice all the cracks on it, that makes a noisy pad. It's pretty simple. You just pop the pad out just like that, and then you pop the new pad in the same way. We don't have the pads for this one right now. I just wanted to show you real quick. We're gonna go run and get the pads, but that's pretty much the basics of doing your brakes. Same thing for the other side. Lift it up, and if you don't have a compression tool, a little trick I like to do is grab a big channel locks right here. You use the old brake pad, and you stick it on the puck like this, and then you just pinch it with the pliers like that and push your puck back. And when you do that, make sure that you have the brake reservoir open, because if you don't have the brake reservoir open, it's not going to let the pressure build back. So that's it for today. I hope this helped you get your brake job done. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.